YouTube just made a big policy change around monetization. Creators can now earn full ad revenue on sensitive topics like abortion, self-harm, suicide, and domestic/sexual abuse, as long as the content is dramatized or discussed in a non-graphic way. Here's what changed and why it matters. 1/What's the update? Content that covers controversial issues, abortion, self-harm, suicide, domestic/sexual abuse, can now be fully monetized if it's dramatized, fictional context, discussed from personal experience in passing, presented without graphic/descriptive detail. Before, these topics typically got the yellow dollar icon equals limited ads. Now, non-graphic treatment equals green light for full revenue. 2/Why the change? YouTube heard feedback from creators who were losing revenue on dramatized storytelling, personal narratives, topical discussions. The old guidelines were too restrictive, demonetizing content that advertisers are actually comfortable with. 3/What still gets restricted? Child abuse and trafficking, eating disorders, descriptive/graphic segments on any sensitive topic. These remain ineligible for ad revenue. Check your past videos in YouTube Studio. If you have previously demonetized content on these topics, handled non-graphically, request a manual review. You might now qualify for full monetization. Bottom line, YouTube is loosening restrictions based on creator feedback while still respecting advertiser boundaries. For creators making dramatized content or discussing sensitive topics, this could mean real revenue gains.